go shopping. What are you shopping for today? Trail mix is a healthy snack. Let's get a yogurt. We're going to the beach. Let's grab sunscreen.
Hi there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you this Barbie large cash register playset. So this is an interactive cash register toy with lights and realistic sounds, and it has so many features and accessories, as you can see, for little shop owners to play with. So here, as you can see, there's a picture of Barbie, and there's pictures of some items here that Barbie is selling. And there's also a working calculator on this side, so you can give your customer their total. And it comes with this cute cell phone with a card reader and a scanner. So this is a working one, so all you need to do is swipe the card in here and it will make a beep sound. And it also comes with this little basket with some stuff inside. So cute. So there's also a drawer that pops out just like a real working register. So you just have to press this. There you go. And it comes with some money as well. Let me just show you. So let me show you the money that is included. There you go. We have $1, $5, and $10. And for the coins, let me have a look. We have some options here. So yeah, we have some 25 cents, 5 cents. That's 25 cents as well, and 10 cents. And there's like a Barbie logo on the other side. Okay, so let me show you on the back before I switch this on. So this is how it looks like on the back. So this is where you put the batteries. This one requires two AAA batteries, and the screen can be tilted if you like to. Just move it like that. So yeah, it depends on how would you like to use it. But for now, let's move it to the original. Okay. So yes, let's switch it on. So there's an on and off. There's an on button in here. That's the off. So let's switch it on. See what happens.
Hi, it's Barbie.
Hello, Barbie. So yes, you can see that the calculator is now working. So yes, it has a working calculator. As you can see, it makes sounds when you press the number, and there's a addition sign in there, so you can add and give a total to your customer. And also has a buttons here to hear some phrases.
Love that choice. Isn't it fun?
So yeah, there you go. And on this side, we have the pictures of all the items that Barbie is selling. And if you press the buttons, they will make you can hear some fun Barbie phrases. Okay, so let's try.
Trail mix is a healthy snack. Let's get a yogurt. We're going to the beach. Let's grab sunscreen. Lacey would love to try these new dog treats. Chelsea wants to bake a cake. Let's buy sugar. This nail polish will really make my nails sparkle. Let's get some candy for Ken. I wonder if Nikki and Teresa are in Doll Weekly magazine. Let's get popcorn for a movie night with Stacy.
There you go. So yeah, you can actually press this button here to hear other phrases from
Can
Barbie.
you tell me what my total is? That's a great selection. Let's go shopping.
Okay, so yes, let's go shopping. Okay, so what do we need? Okay, I think we need some trail mix.
Trail mix is a healthy snack.
Okay, so this is the trail mix. Let me put that in the basket. So trail mix is $5. Okay, what else do we need? I think we also need some sunscreen.
We're going to the beach. Let's get sunscreen.
Okay, so this is the sunscreen. Let's put it in the basket. And the sunscreen is $2.15.
Isn't it fun?
Okay, what else do we need? I think we also need some yogurt.
Let's get a yogurt.
So this is our yogurt. It's strawberry banana flavor. And yogurt is $3.30.
That's a great selection.
Okay, so what else do we need? I think we also need some water. Okay, so here's the water. So it's not on the screen, but the water is $2.
Love that choice. Can you tell me what my total is?
Okay, so our total is, let me press that. So our total is $12.45. How would you like to pay? Would you like to pay by cash or card? I'd like to pay by card, please. Okay, so let's get a card reader. So here's our card reader. The total is already there, $12.45. Okay, so let me just get the card and swipe it. Okay, that's it. You hear the beep, that means the payment has been completed. And here's your shopping. Thank you for shopping.